Hi, Dr. Janelle Schaefer here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Let's take a deep breath before we get started. Hands on your heart. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Really let it out. Your exhale should be longer than your inhale. This signals to the vagus nerve, relax. Relax your body. Most people are shallow breathers. They're not really engaging their diaphragm when they breathe. Shallow breathing is like a fear, nervous breathing. So you have to consciously train yourself to breathe deeply. All right, before we get started, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, check out my description down below. There I have my link tree, which links to everything that is me. And in there is my Mountain Rose herb link, and I will be demonstrating some herbs here today and sending you over there. If you are not growing or wildcrafting or harvesting your own plants, like that is the place you need to be going to purchase them. And I'm going to show you why today. So if you're new to herbs, let me know in the comments. If you've been here for a while, say hi. And I just love to hear from people who come to this channel. All right, so I'm going to talk about mullein today. And I do not have Mountain Rose herb mullein in front of me. I do have another plant, rose from Mountain Rose herbs, so I can show you at least quality level. This is mullein leaf, and I don't want to harp on the brand, but it's organic. 100% it says anyway, and I bought it on Amazon. So I made some purchases so that I can show people the differences. Okay, I open it up and I always smell right away. So to me, it has like a musty kind of smell. Like I smell a few things. Like it smells to me like a few plants. I smell dirt, sort of oregano-y. Like I'm thinking some wild plants were cut up, and I'll show you what I mean. In my Advanced Home Herbalist course, which is in my Etsy shop, I teach you, one of the things I teach you is how to determine good quality herbs. Our senses are one of the foremost ways that we determine the quality, and knowing what the plants look like from seed all the way to the fresh flower and then in its dried state. If I take the mullein out here, it has been ground up super, super fine. I'm going to stand up. Hopefully I can get a good visual. And I am finding things in here like, oh darn, what is it? Like a little piece of, I don't know, something, another little piece of something. There's lots of pieces of something. And because it's ground up so fine, this is telling me that this is mullein. There's mullein in here. I don't know if it was like a planted field and they just like took a tractor like they're cutting corn and just like chopped it all up and then like ground everything, and whatever was there got mixed into it. It's ground up really fine. That's what I'm guessing, assuming, determining from the evidence. Because this is, oh, I have mullein flower in here. I just made a video. The previous video I made on mullein flower, I said I didn't have any, and here it is. I can barely hold it. That is a mullein flower, dried. In the previous video, I showed you these purchased on Amazon, and I'm trying to tell you, don't get your herbs there. This was supposedly mullein flower. And it smells moldy to me. That is not mullein flower. So you could buy something that's like very not good for you. All right, this is my mullein leaf that I ripped up by hand and I picked by hand. I just carefully picked the leaves off the stalk and I didn't strip it. I took maybe 20% of the leaves once it was in full grown state, because you don't strip a plant. And that is all this is, mullein leaf. If you purchase from Mountain Rose Herb, you will get mullein leaf. Okay, so slight interruption, trying to get my thoughts back. This is my hand-picked mullein. And in my Advanced Home Herbalist class, I teach you how to gather, grow, wildcraft your own herbs. And if you join my course, you get added into a Facebook group with other students who have finished the course. You can ask questions, get feedback, and it's really like the best way to go forward if you want to know about herbs. You want to work with someone, and this is something I tried to do for years, is like find a mentor. I wound up going through schools, and I just finished my PhD in herbal medicine after many years of starting and stopping. I had to do my master's first, but really having an educated person with plants and herbs is the best way to learn. It's like a mentorship, apprenticeship. You're learning from someone because it is hands-on. Like there's so many things online. There's AI tools. There's photo identification apps. Like those are good, but you need a person as well. And nothing beats, to me, real live human interaction. Okay. What am I going to do with this mullein from Amazon? I'm not going to use it. It's going to be used as an example so I can show students, like, you do not want to get that. You want to have higher quality. And this is Mountain Rose Herb. Not mullein, but I just wanted to show you quality. Everything that comes from them is like extremely pure. The scent is strong. The color is perfect. There is no like possible hint of any kind of contamination or spray. This is not mullein leaf. These are rose petals, but I trust them more than any other company for quality, unless I'm, like I said, gathering it myself. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to know more about herbs, send me a comment or a message on my website, cheaphillherbs.com, and come again soon.